A campaign is defined by the number of gold medals that you win. Unfortunately, we did not win any in this year's Olympic Games, and it caused quite a bit of heartburn. But that's fine. The Olympic Games is a very different ball game compared to the Paralympic Games, and traditionally, we've done pretty well in the Paralympics, at least in Rio and Tokyo. In Rio, we had 2 golds, Mariappa and, of course, Devendra Jhajharia, the current president of the PCI. In Tokyo, the number went up. The number went up, and we did very, very well. Some really good efforts in Tokyo, led by the great Sumit Until. Here in Paris, the number that we were talking about was approximately 8. I would say it's come down to about 6. But so far, the gold medalists have done fantastically well. Let's start with Avani Lekhara. Avani Lekhara proved what temperament and handling of pressure can do. She shot a 10.5 in her final shot. After the 2 shots to go, that stage, 229.3 if I remember from memory. At that point, the Korean Lee shot a 10.7 and Avani shot a 9.7, giving the Korean, 9.9 rather, giving the Korean a 0.8 lead. That's a lot. Going into the final shot, Avani needed a miracle. She got a 10.5, which is good. The Korean needed 9.7 to close it out, and all of a sudden, yeah, my colleagues are laughing. She shot a 6.8. Pressure got to her, and it was just boom, gone. Gold medal to India. Nothing like that happened with Sumit Until. Sumit Until knew he was getting gold, and he got gold. His only challenge was Sumit Until himself. Can he break the Paralympic record? Can he break the world record? He did break the Paralympic record and got close to his 70.83, which he had done last year in Paris, but not as close to the 74.75 that he wanted to do. As a result, in that interview to Rohan Chaudhary, he was not very happy. This is the new India. You will listen in to Sumit Until. Now, the 3rd gold medal was perhaps the most exciting. Nitesh Kumar. We have not won a single gold in Badi in Paris 24. And Nitesh Kumar was pitched against Daniel Bethel, someone who he has never beaten in his life. And the only Indian who has beaten Daniel Bethel happens to be back home because of a whereabouts doping failure. So all pressure on Nitesh Kumar. He wins the first game, solid stuff. Second game, Nitesh ahead. We were contemplating now. Gold medal is coming. Daniel Bethel turns the tide, 21-18 game done. And all of the stadium erupted. The cheer was incredible. And that is when Nitesh Kumar started feeling the heat. The 3rd game went to the pinnacle, 20 all. Now 20-21, and he was down a match point and a championship point. Pressure? Yes, that's pressure. He absorbed it, soaked it all in, 21 all, 22-21, and finished 23-21 against Daniel Bethel. A history made. Nitesh Kumar justifying his seeding, giving India the only badminton gold. And we asked Nitesh what this medal means to him, and he said it means the world. We'll show you that. These are our gold medalists. We are celebrating our gold medalists with plenty more to come. Keep watching Red Sports.
I spoke to my parents. They were all in tears, and then we could hardly had some conversation. And then I could see how proud how proud they are of me. I know we have very good events lined up for the Indian contingent tonight and further ahead in the tournament. And I wish everyone best of wishes and go out there and make yourself and the country proud.
I mean, I was on my shots. I knew there was a close difference, so I wanted to give my 100% in the last shot too. All was like, I was just praying to God, okay, whatever will happen. I just have to give my 100%. So that's what I did. And I didn't know that she shot, what shot she shot, but I just knew that, okay, I won. After that, I got to know, okay, it was a 6. Yeah, after like coming out, I got.
ऐसी कोई शक्ति नहीं है, बट ये है कि सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन और सेल्फ मोटिवेशन और जिस तरह से अपनी लिमिट्स को पुश करना है फ्यूचर में भी, और जिस तरह से जितनी फैसिलिटीज़ मिल रही है उसके साथ साथ में जिस तरह की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ खुद को फील करवाओगे तो आई थिंक और अच्छा रिजल्ट निकल के सामने आएगा.